Want to know how to create an account in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website or your application. So just simply open up your web browser and type in agoda.com and you should be directed to this website right here. So on the top right side, you should be seeing create an account right here. So in this video, we're just going to create an account. So just simply select it. Now once it's selected, create an account, here a new window should pop up where you should be able to create an account with your mail, or just simply hit and create with Google, Apple or Facebook as well. So I'm just going to create an account with Google right here, which is easier. So you can just simply log in accordingly and you can just simply create an account, and that's it. So simple and easy. After a while, your sign-in should be done or your creation of account should be automatic. Just simply select continue and you're good to go. And that's it. Now you can just simply do your first name and last name, and once that is done, your signing or creation of account should be complete. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.